Good morning. Today's Friday. Are you so excited? Yeah. We're gonna have a nice weekend together? I know. I'm excited too. Yeah. You must really like daycare though, huh? So happy. Yeah. Do you like your teachers? Huh? Do you like your teachers? Maybe? They're not as good as Mommy and Daddy though, right? Yeah. Yeah, we miss you too. What are you gonna do today at school? Are you gonna kick and play? Make some more friends? Yeah. Eat and play? Oh. Why are you sticking that tongue out? Huh? Yeah. Show everybody your cute little outfit. Say hi. Yeah. You don't have anything else to say? You're pretty quiet this morning. Oh. Okay. Say bye-bye, Roslyn. Have a good day.